Hadith 752, Jabir radiallahu anh reported, Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Satan appears at everything done by you. He appears even at one's dinner. When a morsel of any of you falls, he should pick it up, remove any dirt on it, and then eat it. He should not leave it for Satan, nor should he wipe his hand with the towel until he has licked his fingers, for he does not know in what portion of the food the blessing lies.
Right, so it shows that first of all that the Shaytaan is our enemy. This enemy will not let go of us. We all the time going to have this enemy in presence, and he wants to spoil our food, spoil our intimacy, spoil our property, spoil our prayer, spoil our everything. He wants to share us in everything. The Shaytaan here is not just because he wants food, he's hungry. No, he wants to spoil it. He wants to remove the barakah. Okay, so he is present when the iqamah, and when the iqamah happens, he flies. And then when the iqamah is finished, he goes back to whisper to the person who's praying, and he will not know how many rak'ah he would pray. So here he's present when his food is there. If he doesn't say Bismillah, he's there. And also he says, if the morsel to go down, let him take it and remove the dirt, and then let him eat it, and he should not leave it to the Shaytaan. So the Shaytaan, if he comes later on, he finds a morsel on the floor, he will eat it. Even though you have mentioned Bismillah on the whole of the food, but that morsel had fell from you, then it will be for the Shaytaan to take it. Let him as well lick his fingers, as we said, and then he doesn't know where the barakah is